Oh, you two are so cute.
Which is like, I'm gonna fucking bite your ear.
And then we'll lick it. I'm gonna bite it. I'm gonna lick it.
Etc. Etc.
It's so damn cute. There you go. You're just chomping on his ear. Oh, I think you're starting to hurt him. Stop that. Stop that. He was what? he was, and he just loves Esther. It's the cutest fucking thing I've seen. He's got a shorter temper with the dogs, but he has a huge like allowance for Esther. What up, buddy? Hans. Hey, Esther, you pretty thing. Hans, say hello. Say hello. Say hello to Thomas. Oh, and there he goes. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Where you going? Oh, oh, flop. There you go. So stinking cute. I just see your big fat butt. And then Esther comes back.